Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to handle the subject on medical electronics. So now I am going to discuss about the topic on radio pill. So after completion, the students will be able to define radio pill, then draw the block diagram of radio pill. First, what is meant by radio pill? So the radio pill, this is an instrument. This will be mainly used to transmit the measurement by radio pulses from within the body circulation. So this will be mainly contain the radio transmitter. This will be allowed by the patient. So we have to easily pass the messages to the patient about the internal condition, so that we have to transmit the information easily. So in modern wireless type of endoscopic monitoring system, the radio pill is a small capsule shaped electronic pill, so that can be swallowed by the normal patient. This will be mainly consist of lens, antenna, then transmitter, camera and sensors and battery. So based upon this, so we are having each region. So we have to reach this region in a small intensive. So we have to provide the video wirelessly to the receiving device. This will be connected to the monitoring system outside the human body and kept at a distance of 1 meter. So the transmission of data, this will be takes place through the radio communication between the electropill transmitter and the external receiver. So in that way, we have to communicate with the patient in a easy manner. So we have to use the diagnosis for the internal part. So this will be mainly help to the patient in a normal endoscopic method. So this is the block diagram for the radio pills. So first we are having transducer, then oscillator and transmitter, transmitting aerial, then receiving arrival, then we are having one loudspeaker. This will be connected to the receiver. Then we are having the demodulator circuit. This will be spread into 3 systems: loudspeaker, tap recorder and pen writer. So now we have to see the function for this diagram. So we are having the different parameters such as temperature and pH and pressure of gastrointestinal tract. We have to measure these parameters so the diseases can be easily detected. So we have to prevent the entry of conventional endoscopic tube. We have to use the single channel. This will be functioned in the radio pill system. So if you are inventing the semiconductors, this will be mainly develop the electronic pill. So this will be capable to carry and transmit the huge amount of data without affecting the human body. So this diagram, this will be mainly represent about the video transmission between the transmitter and the receiver through the wireless connection. So if you are using the radio pill construction, this will be mainly require the narrowband transmission. So we have to use the limited camera pixel. So if you are using the limited camera pixel, so we have to use the radio frequency chip for the wireless communication. So we have to use the real-time video transmission. This will be mainly based on the communication service band, that is the medical based technique will be used. So we have to allow the channel bandwidth in the range of 300 kilohertz. So we have to use the high frequency transmission efficiency through the layers of skin. So we are using the different methods to provide the baud rate of 100 Mbps. So we have to use the currently technique, that is radar imaging processing and indoor entertainment. So these are the methods can be used to manage the major losses in our body tissue. So based on this, we have to easily measure the pH value of the particular sensor. We are having the different sensor technique, that is ISFET sensor, then temperature sensor, then conductivity sensor. So these sensor have to use the radio pill fabrication, so that we have to use that technique in an effective manner. All the radio pill is powered by a battery, so we have to use this device in a remote location. So mainly these radio pills, this will be scan the receiver images to capture the wireless radio signal from radio pill through the coil antenna. So mainly we have to use the computer system. This will be required for the control of data acquisition unit. This will be acquire the data in analog. So we have to transfer the information to the scanning receiver. So this is provide the recording of data to the computer. After completing about radio bill, the quiz question is based on radio telemetry is useful when source and receiver is at dash. Thank you.